Y Arely tiene cuánto? 8. 8, ya tú sabes.
Wow.
Es que me vean vieja por eso, ¿no?
Allá abajo nada más dijo todo.
¿Cuál es todo esto?
Tienen que dar un beso. Son dos.
So this is the kitchen, obviously, and a living room. There's a balcony. And then we have, this is like the service area. So you can come wash, put a washer and dryer here. Just dirty because it's new. Pretty quiet street. And then you have cabinets, lots of storage. First bedroom.
Este tiene 125 metros adentro.
Second bedroom, also nice and bright. Another big closet. Lots of good lighting here. We have some privacy back here. Bathroom, 2 shower heads. And then this is the master. This is a nicer shower. That's fancy. Bigger sink area. So this is a very nice apartment in my opinion. It's in a good area. It's right near Holmes, so kind of behind Holmes Hospital, which is one of the nicest hospitals in the country. Definitely the biggest and the nicest hospital in Santiago, which is the second biggest city in the DR. Super bright, and there's only a few units, so looks nice. I love that it has an elevator. That's something you don't see in every building for sure. I'm going to find out the price and what's included and whatnot and let you guys know. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, big, looks nice to me, so let's see how much it is. This apartment is 28,000 pesos per month, and then you have to do usually like a 2-month deposit and then 1 month commission to the realtors that showed us the apartment. So 28,000 pesos in dollars is ¿Cómo es ahora? 50.
57, 58.
That's about $490 per month. So let's just say $500 US per month, which is not too bad, but definitely, you know, a little bit pricier than a lot of apartments in the area. You can definitely find things for way cheaper, $100, $200. This is just good for the area, and it's bigger, so it's about 1,400 square feet, which is really nice. And like I said, it's bright, it's behind the hospital, and it has a lot of good kind of features. So yeah, I feel like that's a decent price for what they're getting, and then they can of course negotiate that price, and they will probably negotiate it down a little bit. So let's say it will be like $450 per month or something like that. So it's nice. It's in Santiago de los Caballeros, and if you have any questions or comments or anything like that, feel free to leave a comment below. I'd be happy to help you out.